And we are live. I'm the Barbarian trader, and today we'll talk about the FTX recent news and what implication will have on the crypto market. We'll analyze Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will give you as well also some price targets. Stay tuned. And we are back, and warm welcome to everybody. What a day. Twitter is boiling now with all kind of controversial news about FTX. But before we go deep into the topic, I recommend you to subscribe and hit the notification button. Also, follow me on Twitter as I will post key charts, information, and some sweet trades for you guys. Just yesterday, I posted a very nice trade, a Chili's short trade. So if you go to my channel on Twitter at Barbarian Market and you scroll down, you will see yesterday I post this short trade. So Chili's, yesterday evening I said Chili's is time to short. So the price was 0.288 and my recommendation take profit was 0.256. Let's see how that behaved. All right, so I posted here, all right, and I say, guys, it's time to short. Let's see how play out. Boom, clean, nice profit, 11.3% clean profit. So if you would use leverage like 5x or even 10x, okay, you could be by now in profit at least 50 or even 100%. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and also don't forget to follow me on Twitter. All right, so now let's start with the main news. Okay, so FTX, how this all started. Everything started with CZ Binance tweeted that they will getting out of FTT. Okay, so here, liquidating our FTT is just post-exiting risk management, learning from Luna. Okay, so first signal is here. We gave support before, but we won't pretend to make love after divorce. We are not against anyone, but we won't support people who lobby against other industry players behind their backs. Onwards. So Binance, they just announced they got out from FTT, okay? And we'll discuss why they announced it exactly right now, okay? Because, look, CZ, it's a super smart guy, okay? Otherwise, he will not run Binance, and Binance is the biggest exchange in the world, okay? Crypto exchange. So he chose the right moment. Yeah, they had about $2 billion in FTT. They could sell it on the top, and we'll discuss about this, okay? Actually, let's look now at FTT. So they could sell it here. We are looking at weekly chart. And you could say, yeah, okay, they could sell it here, okay? Guys, they made a lot of profit from the fees, okay, Binance. So 2 billion is not the end of the world for them. But they keep it just like a card, okay, an ace, and they waited to play this one in the right moment. Because in the past, okay, FTX attacked CZ in a few times, okay, made some few jokes, which were not very funny. So what we can see here on FTT weekly chart, we have a huge descending triangle. And guess what? Right now the price is struggling at the base of the triangle, like $22, $22. So in the last weeks, they just fighting to defend this level, and they are just losing the battle because they push it here, Okay, boom, sold down, push it up, sold down, push it up, sold down, push it up. So how long this support will hold? Okay, and guys, remember what CZ said. Okay, learning from Luna, and we all know what happened to Luna, right? So guys, welcome everybody in the chat. I see Christian, I see Adriana, I see Anka, I see Ixen. Big shout out to Ixen, guys. It's an amazing trader in our group, and you are missing so much if you don't join our group. Let me show you very fast some sweet trades that we took only in the last days, okay? So I gave you yesterday evening Chile short, CHZ, boom, 33% profit, okay? 37%, this is my trade. Then we had Binance coin, BNB coin, 30%, okay? Ethereum short, 28%. Band short, 120%, guys. 120% only a few days. Gold, we are probably the only group, crypto group, who are trading also gold, okay? 90%. Guys, you are missing out. So I strongly recommend you to join our VIP trading group. You have the link in the description below, okay? All right, so let's go back to our topic. So after CZ posted this, okay, then SBF replied, a competitor is trying to go after us with false rumors. Okay, guys, there is no smoke without fire. All right, so FTX is fine, assets are fine. Where have we heard that before? Maybe Celsius, okay, when Mashinsky was was trying to convince people to buy, to invest and hold while he was offloading his bags. So look, nothing is for sure, okay? We make no accusations here. We make no statements. It's just our opinion, my opinion, your opinion, guys. They are just opinions, but things, they start to get similar, okay? And don't tell me that everything happened with a reason. And CZ have not decided to sell FTT coins. Why? Okay, I'm sure they have much more information than we do. Okay, and this situation, as I said, start to look more and more like Celsius. All right. So, okay. So he replied that. Okay, FTX has enough to cover all clients' holdings. Okay, now question is, they have enough funds to back up collaterals. Okay, because they never prove they have enough funds. Okay, they were never transparent. They have not showed the funds. Okay, and now a lot of tokens, they are in the risk. Okay, we have the Holy Pool, SRM, Solana, FTT. Okay, same story for Oxy, the FTX ecosystem token. So now the FTX, it's battling on multiple fronts. Okay, they have this media problem now, the news problem, because guys, why once a news is broken, then it's very hard to control it. Okay, so this is one fight. The second fight is with liquidity, because now everybody, maybe not everybody, but most of the people, they are withdrawing funds from FTX. Personally, I have withdrawn it yesterday. Okay, and again, shout out to our big Ixen, okay, because he posted in our group probably before you even saw it on Twitter, guy. He was so fast. Hey guys, we have this news. Okay, boom, we exit. And even then, just to make a transfer via BCC network, which is damn fast, okay, took 1 hour and a half. And right now, I don't know if it's just FUD or real news, I saw people, they have problems withdrawing BTC from FTX. I don't know for sure. I would like to, guys, leave a comment if you have this problem. Leave a comment and tell us if you face this problem right now. Okay, so now let's discuss what implication can have for Bitcoin, Ethereum, for crypto market. But before that, let's have a look at FTT chart, weekly chart, and what we can see. First of all, we see a huge descending triangle, okay, and money flow indicator, it's just there are no money anymore, okay. I saw some influencers telling you that, okay, maybe this is a good opportunity to buy. It is possible because FTX, it's a big exchange. Probably they will go out from this situation. Of course, they will have some losses for sure. They will have their image a little bruised, but we will see how this will evolve. But for the moment, we have few signals. Like now we'll look at the charts, because charts, they are not lying to us. People, they can lie to us. News, they can lie to us. But charts, they are not lying to us. So what we have a descending triangle, and what we can see, we look at Kellner channel, okay, and what we have by the middle of the channel, sorry, we got already multiple rejection, and we keep going to go down after another rejection by the middle of Kellner channel. All right, so now is, look guys, once FTT is losing this level of support, 20, let's say, yeah, 21, 23 bucks, I think we can see a nasty stuff, because guys, here it has nothing, no history to support. Maybe we will see, maybe, okay, and this is just my opinion, it's not a financial advice. Maybe we'll see some, if we'll see a fast dump, okay. Remember Luna, okay, and guys, in Luna we took a very fast buy and sell, 300% profit when they were dumping. We bought at $2, we sold at $7, so super sweet trade. It was very fast. So here they might have a small stop if they will dump, because those candles, they present almost no support, okay. They can just drop like a rock. So here we have some support, and we'll see if it will go here, how it will behave, okay. We can look also on money flow indicator. All right, let's see. So here, oh guys, the support is so low, so yes, we can see a lot of money going out from the market, okay. Another thing, if we look at Ichimoku cloud, it's just super bearish, okay, and as you can see, it's curving down, okay. It's not leveling up, it show just a lot of selling pressure. So if this one, if the base of this descending triangle will be lost, guys, it will be nasty, okay. It will be very nasty. So we can expect hell from FTT. All right, now let's discuss the implication for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and for the crypto market. But mostly I will discuss Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. So let's have a look at Bitcoin. For the moment, we look at 4 hours, and but before that, okay, I just want to show you guys very fast. Probably if you follow my channel and you watch my videos, you saw this in the past, but I want to mention it again because people tend to have a very short memory, okay, and they tend to forget very fast. Guys, this is monthly chart, Bitcoin monthly chart, monthly logarithmic chart, okay. We have the biggest bearish pattern in the history of Bitcoin. We have a huge rising wedge. And guys, before you call me crazy, watch my previous videos from last year, from September last year. I called the top, okay? And I was having similar speech, and probably most of you were like, no, 100K and buy the dip, okay? Guys, act as a trader, okay? Stop acting like a dreamer or whatever you want. Act as a trader, act as a barbarian, all right? we trade with our mind, we don't trade with our feelings. Okay, let's keep going. So we have this huge rising wedge, and yes, Bitcoin can pump, and it is possible. Okay, let me do very fast. Probably we can see here maybe a parallel channel, something like that. Who knows? Okay, Bitcoin can trade inside this parallel channel. So all will have some choppiness, probably 30K, something like that, even 31, 32K. I'm not saying it's impossible, but we are at the bottom of the rising wedge. More than that, monthly is the first time when monthly close below a previous all-time high. Never happened before. After they break the all-time high, never close below. Break all-time high, never close below. Break all-time high, they start to close below. Okay? So wake up. Okay, the forever pump is gone. Now we'll have only sideways and going down. So we have also, let's see, this one, it's, we have 50 moving average monthly. Month after month after month closing below 50 moving average. Show me in the past where monthly close below 50 moving average. Okay, those people on YouTube who are screaming again, Bitcoin moved only $1,000 up. Sorry, guys. And traders, they are screaming again 100K and all kind of nonsense. Okay, so again, show me a month before where it closed below. It didn't close. Okay, above, above, above. All right. So now let's go on the smaller time frames. What we can see on 4 hour. Bitcoin price is still trading inside this rising parallel channel. Okay, and this is a bearish structure for the moment until it's not broke above. Okay, we are still in a bearish structure. So what we can see, we have this diagonal resistance, this red diagonal resistance, okay, who is acting right now. Okay, for the moment it's resistance. So I will put also some price levels. And guys, I gave you price targets in my last videos. What I said, listen guys, even if this it will go up, we'll break this, we'll make a fake break, it will hit this horizontal resistance. Boom, dump. Okay, watch the videos carefully. You have to stop scrolling through the video. Not only on my video, there are a lot of good traders, okay, in the space. There are a lot of good YouTubers. Okay, don't understand me wrong. I personally follow also other YouTubers, and I have all the admiration for them. And of course, always we have something to learn. So we hit this horizontal resistance, and boom, we dump. Okay, I don't care about the news so much. Charts, they are telling us the news before will happen, and this huge, okay, this huge Bitcoin rising wedge is telling us the next news. Okay, we can expect next year. If you are still not convinced, let me switch to 6 months. Okay, there you go. How do you think this candle will close? A strong pump to 100K? Guys, be serious. This candle is ready to make another red candle. It is very possible this year to close pretty bearish or very bearish. Okay, if not, probably they will do just a bull trap. Okay, maybe an indecision candle and some choppiness, maybe a dead cat bounce here, and then the hell will come. All right, let's go back here. So resistance above, price still under the middle of the channel. Okay, so we have resistance on the diagonal, we talked above. We talked about 20,977, middle of the channel. Okay, again we'll face resistance on this diagonal. Okay, previous diagonal resistance, and again we have liquidity high, so maybe they will pull a swing failure pattern. I think in the best case they can pull up the price close to the top, okay, of this rising parallel channel. And it is possible because, guys, what happened before a storm? It's nice and quiet. Okay, everybody is relaxing. Okay, you see, we got scared for nothing. Remember, quiet before the storm, okay? This month or even next month could be quiet before the storm. So even if they will have a fake break of this area, they will hit this huge resistance, okay? And above, there are a lot of back holders from the past FOMO, okay? And those guys happily will offload the bags on you, who are dreaming of 100K in the winter, in an economical crisis. All right, let's go back. Okay, what areas of support we can look for? Because until they don't break those 3 levels, we cannot look for higher levels. But keep an eye, okay, for you guys, I will put also some price levels, what you can watch for. So 22K, right? Then we have 22,200, and from here the things start to get interesting, because from between 2200 and 22,700, 22,750, 22,800, here things will get hairy, because here it will be a huge resistance, okay? So above, what we have, this big blue falling wedge target, okay, that I talked in the past, 23,720. More than that, it is still very possible to go to 23,700, because on weekly we have the top of Bollinger Band in this area and needs to be closed. But don't go like crazy long right now just because I said that we had that. No, we can dump first. They can grab the liquidity below and then do a lot of choppiness. Let me see if I have a chart where I can show you. All right, BTC. Let me see if I have a clean chart. So let's see if I can use this chart. All right, so we go here, Bollinger Band. I will show you in a second, guys, what you can look for, okay? So let me switch to another. There you go, here, Bollinger Band, and we switch to 1 week. All right, there you go. Keep an eye on this one. Keep an eye on this one. All right, so we have the top of Bollinger Band, 23,831. Let me switch to regular price, and I will give you also price target in this area. As you can see, the Bollinger Band is start to flattening out. Okay, previous week closed above 20 moving average. So yes, there is still a chance for the bulls. Okay, this could be the last bull trap. We'll see in this. And I'm not saying that, okay, it cannot pump. Yes, it can pump. We have diagonal resistance in this area. So it can pump up to 27, 28,000, even to 50 moving average on weekly. Okay, it's close to 30,000. So it can pump in this area, even on low volume. So they create the FOMO, they create everything perfect for them to start to offload again their bags and prepare the next short. Remember that huge rising wedge, okay? But as well can dump very well, grab this liquidity, and only after that swing failure pattern and move up, okay? Because with this news, I'm sure it will be much more volatility in the market. We will not stay flat, I think, in the next days or weeks. You will see volatility, okay? We'll leave this range, and probably, because right now, what is our range, okay? We have, let's see, we have here 25,214, and then we have the June low. And remember, guys, while all the traditional markets, they were dumping before the June low, Bitcoin was just holding steady. And this rhetoric, I don't buy it. Bitcoin is so stable. Bitcoin is different now. Bitcoin decoupling is just mumbo jumbo. Okay? All right. So support levels, as you can see, found resistance for the moment. 4 hours. 4 hours will close in. Yeah, it just opened. Okay? So it is possible to go in to test the higher levels. But as support, I think if the price is losing this disputed, as you can see, this disputed area can test the lower levels. What are the lower levels? We have this bottom of this rising parallel channel here, 20,066 area. Of course, it depends when it will touch this area. Okay, so somewhere here. This one is a key one because it's close to 2017 all-time high, and also, as you can see, there are those two bottoms. Okay, probably will get a pretty decent bounce. I expect this one to be lost. Maybe they have a wick down. If we'll see a dump down, again, agree. Still believe the liquidity tap of that area below 17,000.5 would be the fuel for a move up 100%. Totally agree with you, Exan. Totally agree with you. All right. And then the last level for the bulls, okay, if they want to stay above 19,600 and maybe continue to move up, is this one, okay? Because this was the first break of huge diagonal resistance coming from the all-time high, okay? So here it was the pump, okay, the top. If they lose this area, is goodbye. They will go lower. Probably, remember what I'm telling you guys. Probably they will go to test again this huge diagonal of support right now, but it was resistance. As you can see, they broke this with no retest here, okay, as support. So it is possible to come in this area. And guess what? It's June low here, okay? So no, sorry, it's just a liquidity area, and then June low is just below. So what we can look for, let me extend this one very fast for you guys. All right. So guys, if you haven't subscribed by now, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you to hit that notification button and subscribe button. And you know what? If you like this video or even dislike this video, like it or dislike it. All right. So what are our strongest support areas? Okay. There you go. 16,400, 16,900. Because if we'll dump and we'll take the June low, it will not stop exactly on the June low. There are a lot of stop losses in okay, so a lot of stop losses in this area. Okay, so they will dump probably. Don't be surprised if you see a nasty candle down suddenly. Okay, don't be surprised, because if FTT is going belly up, what do you think it will happen? Already is nasty. Already Bitcoin, let me show you something. S&P 500 is pumping, okay? So check this out. S&P 500 is pumping. Bitcoin, it's, they dump, okay? And now they are struggling under resistance. Okay, so I gave you also the most important key levels. Okay, check this out here. 18,229, okay, and can go lower along this big diagonal support right now coming from the all-time high. Okay, so if you see a big dump now, it will be 18,265. But look at this area, okay? You can rewatch the video and you have all those levels here on the right. All right, let's move on. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, as expected, had a very nice rejection from the bottom of this rising wedge and 200 daily moving average. There you go, short, clear as daylight. Okay, you milk this one and then you wait, because they come exactly to this disputed diagonal. There you go, guys. Again, if you are not subscribed to our VIP trading group, you are missing out. You are missing out charts, you are missing out fun talks, you are missing out group chat, okay, group live chat, where we analyze the charts and maybe we make also some jokes sometime. Very nice jokes, not dirty jokes. All right, so what we can see on Ethereum, they for a while they found support on this Fibonacci circle. Okay, they dump again, they test this disputed diagonal of support, and they reclaim the Fibonacci circle and close 4 hours above. Now, what we can expect, because Ethereum, it's Ethereum, there is still a lot of hopium in Ethereum, okay? But keep in mind, FTX is holding a lot of Ethereum as collateral. So if they will need to dump, okay, it is possible to see some nasty move. All right, what we can see, yes, they break this Fibonacci circle, but it is either possible to bleed down, okay, along this and retest this diagonal of support and 2018 all-time high. Because what we can see, guys, let me show you what we can see. Before this nice, beautiful break above, okay, Ethereum was trading inside of descending parallel channel. Okay, they break the top of this descending parallel channel. They have not tested a support after the break. Okay, so it is possible for them to come and test this level. Okay, let's put a price level so we have this in mind in case that we see a dump. Okay, so as you can see, it's matching with this old diagonal of support, this blue one. So let's put a price level here on this blue old diagonal of support, and also a price level here. So those two areas might be a very good support. And more than that, what we have in 1300 area, we have a CME gap. Okay, let me switch to Ethereum. There you go, guys, 1300 CME gap. Okay, so we have a gap in this area. We have also a gap above, so it is possible to do a bull trap, close this gap 1628. All right, I will put very fast, so in case that you want to see the video again, there you go, and we call it, okay, CME gap. So if you want to see the levels, watch the video again, see where is the gap, and trade accordingly. All right, so we have a gap above, and also we have a big gap below. All right, now let's go back to the chart. Okay, so as you can see, it's just losing momentum. Okay, they don't have, of course, the candle just opened, so probably what we can see, maybe a retest of this Fibonacci circle. So I will not put a level, but I will tell you 1591, 1592, somewhere here. And then remember what I tell you, guys, we test 200 daily moving average. Okay, if it will dump from here, it is possible, but if they will pump, look for 200 EMA daily. And remember what I'm telling you, this area will give us a very nice rejection. Okay, so I'm giving you a free tips. Okay, even if you are not in our VIP trading group, you are still learning something here with us. So 200 EMA is, especially in this configuration, okay, with 200 daily EMA below and 200 EMA above, usually the price is targeting 200 EMA, and only after that is playing the real dump. Okay, this case might be different with all FTX story, and we'll see how it will develop, but it is very possible to come in this area. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a big area of resistance. Why? We have this top again, FOMO top, a lot of back holders, desperate people who were crying for weeks for their money being minus 30%. Okay, so remember the hype, Ethereum merge, mambo jumbo. Yeah, we discussed that. I made even a video, and I strongly recommend you to see this video, because this video can still apply. Okay, it can still apply, and we can still see those targets. All right, and also we are on this topic. I also recommend you to see this video, why Bitcoin can crash to 1350, 3000 area. Watch it with an open mind, and then leave a comment below about your opinion. All right, so in case of a pump, probably this area, it will be the strongest resistance. As we can see, we have 3 levels of horizontal resistance, plus this diagonal resistance, plus 200 EMA. Okay, so if you want to short, look for this area. But before that, they must grab this liquidity area, okay, the previous local top. Then, only then, if we'll not see a swing failure pattern and we'll see a continuation up, look for this area. So the area I'm talking about is starting, of course, from 1700, okay, coming here from the past that it was very disputed. It's more like a psychological level, and then is going as high as 1,790, maybe even 1,800. Depends. It depends when it will be hit. If we'll have like a crazy spike up just for stop losses and liquidation grab. All right. So this is Ethereum. Below, where we have support. Support we have once we lose this Fibonacci circle as support and this horizontal green diagonal of support, we can look again of this. Okay, there you go. Here 1,461, probably okay, possible to give some bounce, but possible a dead cat bounce, and we can see something like that, maybe a dump and maybe chop and then continuation down. We'll see. Or with all this FTX, we can see just a straight candle down. But if we see some nasty dump, okay, I'll give you even lower support levels, because we have this top of the descending parallel channel, and then we have, let's see, the price is here. Guys, remember what I'm telling you. This blue, okay, let me show you. This blue diagonal of support is coming for, let's see, if I switch to 12 hours, I will show you very fast, 20 hours, okay? Is coming from March 2020, okay? So it's coming practically from the dip after the COVID crash. And check this out, we have this bottom, we have those bottoms, okay? So I think in the worst case scenario, I think this one, it will give us a pretty nice area of support. So 1,179, probably with a dip below this Fibonacci circle. Let me switch to 4 hours so you will see it much better. Okay, so it is possible this area to hold very nice. So now it's up to you, okay? My plan, if you want to know what is my plan, join our VIP trading group and I'll be happy to discuss with you about portfolio investment and all kind of stuff. All right, so, but I think 1,000, let's say 1,170, 1,300, it will give us a very nice area of support, okay? All right, then we have 2018 all-time high, that probably it will act as a very nice support, 1,426, all right? And then we have this Fibonacci circle, but probably will not see a dump in the next 4 hour or the next few 4 hour candles. We'll see, because so I will leave those levels for you guys. If you want to know, you can watch the video again and we'll see. But also, as I said, watch that video, okay? Why Ethereum can go down to $200. Probably not now, because, okay, but I'm talking months. And I'm preparing a projection for 2023 for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I will go in depth, okay? And I will compare it with stock markets, and I have some charts that when you will see them, I'm telling you, you will not like it, but I strongly recommend you to see it, okay? All right, guys, so in conclusion, Bitcoin must break 20,864. Let me zoom in. Must break 20,864, 21,000 and close above. Okay, so reclaim the middle of this parallel channel. Resistance above, I have market for you, and also keep an eye. In the best case scenario, probably can go to 23,700, 28,000. So it's closing the top of the Bollinger Band. It's not impossible. All right. If we have some good news from FTX, who knows? This week we will have a lot of volatility in the market, as we'll have a lot of events. All right. If they fail to break this area, to reclaim this area, we can look for 19,900, 20,000 area, okay, and 2017 all-time high. So 19,800, yeah, this area plus minus. If this area is lost again, guys, remember what I'm telling you. If 2017 all-time high, 19,841 is lost again, and they flip this area in resistance, you can kiss a mini bull market goodbye, and you can expect at least 18,000, if not 16,400 16,900. Okay. Ethereum again, they have a gap above, as I showed you, and a gap 1,300. Sooner or later they will come to close. Now it is possible to push it up. All is peachy, the crypto is stable, Bitcoin and Ethereum is the future. Okay, it is, guys, but we are in a huge bear market. Don't understand me wrong. The technology is amazing behind, and probably it will be embraced in one form or another. We will see. Okay, it's both Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are promising coins, but right now we are in a nasty bear market. Okay, who can take, and again, subscribe and hit the notification button. Next days I will make this projection for 2023 and you will understand more things from there. Okay, but for now, Ethereum, if it's holding 1,550, 1,590 area of support, can push up. Losing that, we can look for 1,461 and below targets. Okay, a good buy zone. You can leave some money also for 1,100, but 1,179, 1,300. Guys, remember what I'm telling you. If we have a black swan event, then technical analysis, you can trash to the garbage. Okay, you know what happened with COVID crash? This can happen again. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, trade safe. Barbarian out.